Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this. The ULANZI GoPro holder, which is something I've been waiting for somebody to make for a long time, and I actually thought one of these 3D print guys would come up with this first, but this one looks like it was injection molded. It doesn't look like a 3D print job. This looks real professional. Now what this does is it holds your GoPro Hero 5, 6, and 7 so you can hold this monstrosity microphone adapter, because you can't use a microphone with the GoPro 5, 6, or 7 unless you have this. There is no way around it. You must have this biggest rip-off thing in history. This thing is $50. Okay, $50 to be able to buy a microphone and use it. You have to pay $50 just for the honor of buying a microphone. Okay. Anyway, I have never actually used this thing because I could never stand any way to try to make this monstrosity work with the regular, with the regular GoPro holder where you would have it in here. Okay, so the GoPro would be sitting in this thing, right? And then you got to plug this concoction into it and then wrap it around and Velcro it or something. And I actually, in one of my hats, I had cut a hole in the hat and stuck this through the hole, but then it's rubbing on your head. It's a real big pain, okay? This solves all of that. This is an awesome invention by whoever invented it, okay? It does the job very well. And it gives you a place to hook the mic, too. Okay, and I'm going to show you that in a second, too. So anyway, with this thing, you just slide open this little door by pressing in on this little thing here. And this slides the door open. So when you are able to slide this door open, you can just take your GoPro out. You don't have to disassemble all this crap to get the camera out. All you have to do is unplug the mic and slide the trap door open, which is a great invention. So it's not like this. So anyway, you just slide the GoPro right in there. Then you slide this back in there. And it snaps in. Keeps the GoPro snug as a bug in there, as you see right there. Then you slide this thing in there. You slide this in there like that. Then that fits on there. And you take this and you plug this in to the USB-C connector, which is right there. Then you take your microphone, you slide that on the top, you tighten that down, you plug this into there, right here, clip it on your hat, and you're ready to go. You got your whole little vlogging setup there, or you could hold it on a, put it on a stick or a selfie stick or whatever. But there you go. I'm not exactly sure what this was. It was like $20. I'm going to put a link in. I got this on Amazon. I usually don't buy a lot of stuff from Amazon, but I did buy this from Amazon. So I'm going to put a link in there if you want to get one. But look at that. Look how nice that looks. Nice and clean. Everything fits great. Then if you want to get the GoPro out, all you have to do is unplug the mic, unplug the mic adapter, pop that little door, and out it comes. Just like that. No sweat. You don't have to remove the mic adapter. You don't have to remove the mic. Nothing. Just slide it right out of there. This is a real I'm sure the guy that invented this 3D printed this thing like 20 times, when he was figuring it out, and then they went to production with it in the injection mold type stuff. So yeah, this is a real nice deal right here. This is real nice. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that because how cool it is. So I'll be now using the microphone and that crap now that I have this. All right, guys, have a nice day.